Good afternoon, Lithium World. Belt buckles to the left. Today we're going to be reviewing a little product that's new to my shop, and they've been advertised ad nauseum on all your social media platforms for the last couple of weeks. These are going to be your battery-powered shop air dusters. There's a variety of them out on the market, and I'm not going to call out a specific brand because I'm fairly certain they're all made in the same factory and just have different casing. What I like about these is they're portable. You don't have to have the use of a compressor air tank to do the exact same things like cleaning yourself off or cleaning off your machinery. It's going to be nice in the shop because you can do your clothing completely without having to have a loud generator in the back going, and also your significant other will not be yelling at you about tracking sawdust throughout the house. The pros about these, they're battery operated, so you're never going to have any air lines interfering with any of your active work. This is great on a CNC machine. And the negative about it is, I don't know why they insist on making this look like a magazine clip of sorts. If somebody were to pull you over with one of these in your cup holder, they might think secondhand about what it is. So I'm not sure why they necessarily make a handheld hair dryer look tactical, but that's their own choice. Altogether, in conclusion, this is one of the best products to my shop. I can safely clean off my CNC machine at the end of the day without getting interfered with the spindles. It has a detachable nozzle so you can get into tight places such as router channels when you're going around, making the cuts easier and taking away sawdust. Okay, well that's going to do it. If anyone feels like sponsoring me, let me know because there's no affiliate link.